Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to do another quick segment on this 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Limited. So I want to show you guys how to set up your back gate here to open up your hatch automatically. If you haven't done that yet, it's pretty easy. So let's go in on the inside and see how we set it up. Okay, now here we are on the inside. So I'm on the home screen. You know, you can find that by scrolling across or just hit your home. And if you don't like to hit the home screen there, you can also push it down here on your little console. So up here, we went to home, and then we want to go to setup. And after you hit setup, you want to go to vehicle, and then you want to hit door. And your vehicle does have to be running to set this up. So now we're in here in our door setups here, and it's highlighting the door. So what we want it to do is you can set different things: automatic lock, automatic unlock, the conditions, enable on speed, shift. Pretty normal settings. You just have a few options there. Enable it, shift to park, it'll lock, or when the vehicle's off. But what we're looking for is our lift gate. So we got the 2-press unlock. If you double press it, it'll unlock all the doors in the car, which is pretty convenient if you got a party coming to the car with you. And then your power lift gate, this is enabled. This allows the button to control it, which is on your dash, you know, over here and in the back. And then you got power lift gate opening speed, so you can have it set to fast if you want to get in, get out, or you can have it normal if you don't want it to. If it moves faster than you do, you can slow it down. And then you got your power lift gate opening height. Okay, so you can just set it at different levels depending on how high you want it. You can set your user height setting in. It's fine for me because it's going fully open, so I'm leaving that where it is. And then the smart lift gate, you want to toggle that on for your automatic opening, so it opens the lift gate automatically when approaching the lift gate with the smart key. Okay, and then this is just Windows if you want the ability to open the window remotely. All right, so we got our smart gate set, and we can go back and test it out. All right, now we got it set up. I locked the doors and walked away from it, so I'm gonna walk up, see if it'll open. Flip this around. All right, so here we are, go up here. You should just be able to get close behind it when you get the beep. So there it is. That is the fast speed. So, you know, you can slow it down, probably go half that speed if you like, but that is how you can just set up your auto open. And then to close it, you can just push that, close it back, or of course, you can do the push and hold on your remote. So that's it. Hope it helped somebody get it set up. But yeah, it is an automatic lift gate. You don't have to swipe your foot. You just get in proximity and it'll open for you. Oh, it's got me again. It says you did it again. So that's it. All right, guys. Take care. Peace out as always.